My advice to you, if you are someone who is therefore living in a Spanish-speaking country to learn the language, just talking to natives and being passive and hoping that you learn the language is not the way to go. Deliberate practice and study is the way to go. Just living in the country isn't going to do anything. What's going to do something is actually deliberately practicing. And this is why, I got fluent in my bedroom in Sweden, not in Spain, right? It's because what I did was deliberate practice, deliberate Spanish study. And that's what I go through in these videos. So if you're in a condition of speaking with natives, the way to make your conversation with natives more deliberate and more effective is through a method I like to call spot and speak. So what I'll do is every single conversation, I would spot the exact topic that I sort of freeze on, the exact topic that I ever don't understand the natives when they speak or that I can't express myself in. In my own free time, practice that by speaking it, and I'll go through exactly how to speak it to practice it. And then I'd have a conversation on that same topic and see if I've improved. And so I'd go through those 3 steps over and over again. And the way I practice speaking is to narrate something, elaborate on that narration, and then contemplate on the narration. To narrate something is to give commentary, to give an opinion, to tell a story, or to report something. To elaborate is to give details, and to contemplate is to question. And so the reason why I like to go through it in this way of practicing in my free time is because it emulates a conversation. And so usually conversations will go through these 3 steps in this sort of pattern. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.